mga magnanakaw, ang mga Marcos, mga Romualdez, kung hindi pa maliwanag yon.
How much more if he is arrested, no? So, he has a genuine fear for his life, and again, he wants to clear his name here. That is why he requested the President of the Republic to execute a written declaration that he will not be extraordinarily rendered to America. No? So that he can clear his name here. He is not against extradition because that is a treaty. If the extradition would be formally followed, then he may face it, but his request should be followed per his, because it is a reasonable request. And besides, voluntary surrender is not a prerequisite to the exercise or invocation of constitutional rights.